Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. Let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find home screen and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, tap on OK. Just give all the permissions it really needs. If you are opening it for the very first time, you will need to do that. And finally, we are in the section with available wallpapers. How beautiful they are! Oh my god, alright. So here we've got some albums from you can choose the wallpaper from. Of course, we can select it from our own gallery, so set our own photo as a wallpaper. Here we've got some suggested options, like scenic options, so the landscapes, some kind of abstract and vibrant options, and those which are really nice with those birds, the colors. And what is interesting, we can tap on more wallpapers, and if you will have your HUAWEI account added, you will be able to choose some let me go back. Some online wallpapers. Some of them are free of charge, and I highly recommend to check it. All right, so let me check those options. As you can, oh my god, it is really pretty. All you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper in order to apply it on the full screen, and now you can check how it will look like. You can also change the position of it. After tapping on it, you can see how it will look like on the lock screen right here and the home screen. With all of the icons, you've got currently on the lock screen applied, which is a really nice option. All you have to do is to, as I said, tap on the wallpaper, and right now I cannot really decide which one I like the most. They are really beautiful. Oh my god. I think the first one, or maybe this one. All right. I don't know. Okay, let me choose this one. All you have to do, what is more, we've got also this option, blur. So after tapping on this drop icon, we can change the blur effect on this wallpaper. So by going to the right, we can make it blurred, and by going to the left, sharp. Up to you. If you're happy with your results, just tap on apply. Now you can decide where you want to set it, as a lock screen, home screen, or both. It's up to you, but I think I have to change it. Alright, sorry. Apply it, and I will choose both. As you can see, we are setting the wallpaper, and as you can see, here we've got our home screen and the lock screen with our wallpaper applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.